I noticed then you have some probes over in the back there that are clearly very different from the Sentinels. What's the difference there?
Well, these are all 16 millimeter diameter probes, and they're essentially open tubes down to the tip. I think that these are all diamond composition probes. They're just of different lengths. That's a diamond composition as well. Actually, this one is a silicon composition, so we can choose the sensor material in this style of probe as well, in all of our probes. The difference is length. It really relates to the size of the vessel that you're monitoring. So smaller vessels, you would use shorter probes. Longer vessels, you use longer ones. The LabMax uses this mid-length probe. The 2-liter RC1 vessel uses the longest probe.
And you mentioned, obviously, depending on the chemistry that you want to look for, this type of sensor material that would use. But what kind of temperature and pressure could I use these at?
The pressure and temperature range varies depending on the type of sampling technology that you have. These probes here come in a standard version, which is 7 bar, and the temperature rating is up as minus 80 to 200 degrees C. There's a high pressure version of these probes, which is rated from the same temperature rating, minus 80 to 200 C, but the pressure rating is to 100 bar.
And I can't help but notice you have a probe with a funny hat on over there.
Yeah.
What's going on there?
This is a bioprobe, and this is used really for monitoring cell cultures or fermentations, largely for determining carbon source concentration and the concentrations of major metabolites like ammonia and nitrate, for example. This is an Ingold fitting, so this is really a standard fitting on a bioreactor. So it essentially just plugs in, and you can monitor your biological, essentially reactions using this style of probe, and it's autoclavable.